Alright, here's the Feiyu Gimbal 2 3-axis stabilizing handheld gimbal for smartphones. So I got this because I wanted, of course, a gimbal, and I wanted a good quality one, and I saw this, and at the time this was probably one of the cheaper ones. There's similar sellers of this, but this one for sure I saw it came with a nice carrying case. Right, so you always want a good carrying case when you have some expensive type of electronics, especially a gimbal, because there's a lot of expensive electronics built into this. And as you can see in the box, in the case here, it comes with all the accessories that you will need. I assume this was brand new, but it does kind of seem like actually this was an open box, because you can see there's stuff here and there's kind of like lint here. So I'm not sure what this is. Looks like a tab that maybe came with a charger or something. I'm not sure. And this was already opened, and you could tell someone tried to pry this open. I guess they couldn't get it out of their fingers correctly. And yeah, I can see little scruffs here, and looks like hair there. So as you can see, there's even wear and oil, and this is not a brand new product at all. Look at that, you can totally see that it's been handled. So that's not good. And here's the lanyard, which is normally never really already on the unit itself. And there's no twisty ties on this cable. And here's the mount, the stand. And also you get the manual, which seems fine. I don't like getting used products or open box even, because you pay for a brand new product, you want brand new. So see, here's the record button, wide, zoom in. So let's see if it has power. Yeah, as you can see, it turns on, and it seems to kind of work a little bit. Now, of course, I haven't really synced it or did anything with this yet, but as you can see, there it is. We'll turn it off, and now it's off. Oh, blinking red, so I think that's extra pairing mode. But I'll go ahead and test this out for a little bit, and I'll let you know how this goes.